I'm out here making a difference every single day. Have it be surveying salamanders, bats, turtles. I find it not only rewarding, but also very educational.
Every year, the DNR hires around 1,300 seasonal employees to help support our mission. Positions range from gate attendants to housekeepers to groundskeepers and everything in between. These opportunities allow you to meet new people, build new skills, and enjoy the outdoors.
It's my goal to always try and inspire all of our guests that come through here, whether that be at our programs or just visiting the Nature Center.
I just love the outdoors, and it's pretty nice just to work the summers, and it's really great to learn new things and meet people.
I am the bridge between the public and our natural resources, and a lot of times that leads to them having a little bit of a fire to learn more, so it's really fun to watch that spark in people.
What attracted me to apply for the barn owl position was the fact that I got to do something exciting. It was a little bit adventurous every single day. I get to climb ladders and barns, so the fact that I got to do science as well as being a little bit adventurous was really important to me.
What I enjoy about working here the most would be that I am paid to find fun and creative ways to teach the public about the natural resources and how to conserve and preserve it.
You work with a lot of great people here to where, you're helping them gather data, but if you have a question, you're standing right next to an expert.
Such a great job and a good environment with friends that you make throughout the time you work here.
I'm learning so much about all the different areas and state parks that we have, and I never would have thought that Indiana was as beautiful as it is.
This position has prepared me for the future and my goals in life.
So my goals in the future are to continue working with natural resources and potentially be a biologist in the next couple of years. And I believe that this position is really setting me up to do just that.
If somebody's thinking about working for DNR, they should definitely go for it. It's a great opportunity, and I've had nothing but a great time while working here.
The DNR invites you to join our team. Visit our employment page to find a position that fits you.